One of the 5 packs that I always wanted is this HW Legends, and I know that you guys are curious about the cars and everything, which is why the reason I made this video, because for today's presentation we are going to take a look at each car as well as its detail. Now stay tuned and let's get started. Starting off with the 5 pack itself, I mean the design. Um, it looks normal to me. I mean, I like the actual picture over here. You got the Chevy, you got the Diora, and two Jester. I don't know about this car. It's called, oh, two Jets. And these are the names, by the way. And they are listed respectively in their order, or the car's orders. But here, the logo shows the twin mill, Bone Shaker, and Rudder Dodger. So, in my opinion, it will be good to feature one of these three as well. I mean, the twin mill, we see twin mill a lot these days, but at least Rudder Dodger, yeah. Um, let's get into it. Okay, so one of the cars are a concept or is a concept car, the two jets one, but we're going to take a look at it later. Starting off with the Diora 2. Yeah, I know some of you guys are fan of this casting, and the thing is that they removed the surfboards, they used to be stuck over here and then you can remove it and everything. But this time they decided to stick it. I don't know why. And I thought this guy was a track car, but it's not. It's not a track car. I will have to make an HW team, oh sorry, HW track ride dedicated just for this 5 pack. But man, check out this beauty of this car. Check out the interior, really, really, really detailed. And I really love the colors that are matching, It's like water. This guy used to be driven by Bert Wheeler on the Accelerators and Highway 35 movie, and good to see him back. So there you go, got your big Hot Wheels logo with the Yura 2. I obviously wanted to buy one of the older Diora versions on eBay, but the thing is that they were sold, and now you can just buy the either the concept ones, or the there's no normal Diora anymore. Like the logo, there we go. This is the front look, and this is the back. Moving on to one of the not only legend but also world record car. This guy in real life had done a real loop, the longest loop. You can check that out. And I'm a huge fan of this car. By the way, we hadn't seen that guy since like 2018, I believe, 2019. He was released on the 50th anniversary, obviously. You see over here, but I believe it's not the same version. I have two of these. The one that came out with the 50th anniversary 5 pack and another normal one. Check out the interior. There's only one seat. I don't know if you can see anything, but hold on. Nope. I'm sorry for that. But there's only one seat. I mean, if you had been a long time subscriber here in the Roadbeast place, well, you're gonna know that I already used it a couple of times on HW Track Ride. And then that leads us to two jets. That's two jets, right? Oh yeah, two jets. This thing is a concept car built by someone. I don't know the name, but he won the concept car award, something that Hot Wheels already does every year. And well, there you go. His car is right now on a 5 pack, and you can buy it separately as well. Not a huge fan of it. I mean, honestly, they could put rather Dodger instead of this car. There's only one seat. But yeah, this guy is real. The two Jets is real. It's a real car. I don't have much to say. We'll see about it in the HW truck ride. Oh my god. This thing is a legend. Okay, so it's El Camino. Now, first of all, this guy, it wasn't like that. It was modified. And It would be really nice to do a Let's Talk Show video about this, just about this legendary 5 pack. But just to tell you that it wasn't like that. So the guy was actually going to break a record and they made an accident with the original El Camino. But then he changed it. Check it out. He changed it and he modified it, added some stuff and everything. And it looks like that right now. Obviously, I have the orange or the red El Camino, but I don't think it's the same thing as this because that was a 69 El Camino. I don't know if this is a 69 or not. Anyways, moving on to one of my favorite Hot Wheels cars ever, the Chevrolet. Let's see, 71 El Camino. No, oh, it's Chevy. Oh, sorry, Chevy Camaro Special Edition. Yeah, because the name was not featured on the base of the car. This thing glows in the dark. Like even the real world, this thing glows in the dark. And if you have watched the world best driver of the Hot Wheels test facilities, I think you guys are familiar with this. This car, obviously. It's a beautiful car. I really love it. It's designed to be for Hot Wheels because it's a concept car, obviously. So there you have it. Beautiful car. I'm a huge fan. Okay. Anyways, so I hope that you guys have learned something and have actually discovered something new. So what we're gonna do is that I may have a HW track ride. Okay, I'm gonna build a track specially for this. I mean, type of cars. Obviously, there's a lot of cars that don't make the loops, but we're gonna see. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a big thumbs up so that uh, we know you enjoyed this content. Otherwise, take care.